All right, class. So picking up on our conversation on gene expression, genes get passed down from parents to offspring. Letter eye colors such as blue are recessive, where brown eyes are dominant. So we're going to recessive and dominant, meaning that those genes are expressed over the said recessive genes. For example, if your mom has green eyes and your dad has green eyes, you will probably have green eyes, unless, say, your grandfather had brown eyes. Another example of this, my eyes are brown, but both of my parents' eyes are blue. Brown. However, my mom's work husband, from when I was little, he had brown eyes before he went missing. So, work husband. Speaking of missing, gene deletion, another key aspect. Write this down. A deletion, as related to genomics, is a type of mutation that occurs because of an error in DNA replication. It involves the loss of one or more nucleotides from a segment of DNA. Speaking of one or more things that have left my life, my dog, as of 4 p.m. yesterday, yeah, she was a healthy dog. She died out of nowhere. I think after my wife left, she couldn't handle it. Speaking of dying out of nowhere, cells dies during adipase. Which is a controlled or ordered process vital for development, homeostasis, and eliminating damaged cells. Please don't interrupt. Please don't interrupt. Everyone, please save your questions for the end. Now let's talk about our next step, which is going to be anaphase, which is the stage of mitosis where sister chromatids are separate and move to opposite poles of the cell. This process begins after are aligned at the metaphase plate and the cohesion proteins holding them together are broken down. Speaking of moving to opposite poles, my kids are on the other side of the world with my ex-wife. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, just lost custody, what, three weeks ago now? And yeah, she's already moved to Australia. Just why, anyways, I'm off track, but back to the subject. Cytoplasm is the protoplasm within a cell, providing a medium for all cellular activities and maintains the cell's shape. It's kind of like an ocean where other organelles float in. Speaking of floating in the ocean, I went out on my boat yesterday and it sprung a leak. My boat began to sink. And so for 2 hours I was out there, as after 2 minutes I was exhausted because, the body can only handle so much. So I had to float on my back and wait for the waves to take me to shore. I got back at 1 a.m. this morning, quickly showered, changed my clothes, and now I'm here. Now I'm here.
Is this going to be on the test?